Welcome back to the seventh session of week 8. The topic is relevance and application of technology in managing events. Introduction. Risk management is an active effort to reduce and eliminate risks associated with an event and to take steps to prepare in case those risks occur. For events, risks can include equipment or technology failure, medical emergencies, security incidents, crowd management issues, and more. Event organizers are tasked with seamless experiences amid a backdrop of uncertainties. From the logistical intricacies of venue selection to the unpredictable nature of external factors like weather, each element requires meticulous consideration. This comprehensive exploration goes beyond merely highlighting the diverse array of risks. It underscores the critical importance of strategic planning and risk management. Whether contending with the caprices of weather for physical events or harnessing the potential of virtual platforms, organizers must cultivate a proactive mindset to navigate these challenges effectively. The evolving landscape of event management demands not only creativity and innovation, but also a keen awareness of potential pitfalls. As we delve into the multifaceted dimensions of risk and mitigation, this overview aspires to equip event organizers with the foresight and resilience needed to curate events that not only meet but exceed expectations in an ever-changing environment. Here are a few things that can go wrong at events that are required to be managed. Extreme weather. Severe weather and storms, such as hurricanes or heavy snowfall, can harm individuals, equipment, and venues. These extreme weather events pose risks such as property damage and power outages, making transportation difficult. Therefore, if you are organizing an in-person event, it is crucial to anticipate and prepare for adverse weather conditions to ensure the well-being of your event attendees. To effectively address stormy conditions, it is vital to have contingency plans in place. Consider establishing a backup plan to transition to a virtual event. This flexibility will allow you to adapt swiftly and prioritize the safety of participants. Event and production equipment. When it comes to event equipment, it's crucial to address potential risks and prioritize the safety of attendees and the smooth operation of your event. Various factors such as maneuvering equipment in and out of the venue, electrical installation safety, trip hazards, and the impact of weather changes need careful consideration. To mitigate these risks, hiring qualified staff who can expertly handle equipment-related challenges is essential. These professionals can provide invaluable assistance in ensuring proper equipment setup, maintenance, and dismantling, minimizing the potential for accidents or damage. Before the event, it is essential to thoroughly test all machinery and equipment to identify any possible faults or malfunctions. This proactive approach allows you to address any issues and make necessary repairs or replacements in advance, reducing the likelihood of equipment failures during the event. Transport and traffic. When organizing in-person events, it's essential to address potential transportation challenges that could arise, such as crowded parking, unclear signage, limited pedestrian areas, road obstructions, flight delays, vehicle issues, or unforeseen accidents. These factors can lead to delays and inconvenience for key event stakeholders. To foster a positive experience for participants, it is crucial to mitigate transportation risks proactively. Begin by identifying potential issues related to public roads, traffic, and various modes of transport. You can develop effective strategies to minimize incidents and disruptions by mapping out these risks. Consider implementing measures such as dedicated marshalling and well organized parking facilities to streamline traffic flow and optimize accessibility. Clear signage and guidance can help attendees navigate the event venue with ease. Additionally, ensure that pedestrian areas are designated and accessible, prioritizing the safety and convenience of all participants. Last minute cancellations. Regardless of how diligently you plan and execute your event, there is always the possibility of last minute cancellations by attendees, sponsors, presenters, or entertainment, causing unexpected turmoil. To effectively manage these situations, it is essential to have a well defined cancellation policy in place. When crafting your cancellation policy, consider the following. Notice period. Specify how much advance notice is required for event cancellation. This allows you to manage your resources and make necessary adjustments promptly. Out of time frame cancellations. Address cancellations that occur outside of the agreed upon notice period. Determine whether there are any consequences or fees associated with cancellations and communicate this information. Cancellation fees. If applicable, outline the details of any cancellation fees. Clearly define the amount or percentage of the total cost charged in case of cancellation. This helps cover any expenses or commitments you make that cannot be quickly recouped. Refunds. Specify whether refunds are possible and under what circumstances they will be provided. Communicate the refund policy to attendees, sponsors, presenters, and entertainment to manage their expectations and avoid misunderstandings. Contractual agreements. If you require clients to sign a contract before the event, ensure that it includes all the essential points regarding cancellations. This helps protect both parties by clearly outlining the responsibilities and consequences in case of a cancellation. You can effectively mitigate the risk of last-minute cancellations by implementing a well-crafted cancellation policy and ensuring all participants know its terms. This proactive approach helps maintain stability and minimizes potential disruptions. Ensuring a sufficient food supply. It is crucial to carefully consider food preparation, storage, and serving at your in-person event. The last thing you want is hungry attendees or even worse, attendee health issues such as allergies or food poisoning. To avoid these unfortunate scenarios, it is essential to take proactive measures. You can start by thoroughly vetting and selecting reliable vendors who prioritize food safety and have the necessary certifications. This will help ensure that the food provided at your event meets the highest quality and hygiene standards. Moreover, accurately estimating the number of attendees and their dietary preferences can help you plan for an adequate food supply. Collaborate closely with your chosen vendors to ensure they thoroughly understand the expected demand. Regularly communicate with them leading up to the event to make any necessary adjustments and prevent the possibility of a food shortage. Accidents or injuries. Accidents and injuries can happen at a large-scale event. And in the case of an emergency, there is also the risk of a stampede. Serving alcoholic beverages can further contribute to these risks. Ensure you have skilled first aid staff and the necessary medical supplies on site. Know where local hospitals are located and include this information in your event briefs to your team. You should also have a crowd management process to prevent panic, create easy access to your event, provide proper signage to manage the crowd's flow, designate emergency entry and exit strategies, guarantee safe disability access, etc. Natural disasters. Natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, floods, or wildfires pose a significant risk to events. These unforeseen events can disrupt logistics, damage venues, and impact the safety of attendees. Event planners must implement contingency plans and work closely with local authorities to address the challenges posed by natural disasters. Conduct comprehensive risk assessments. Identify potential natural disasters in the event location and assess their likelihood and impact. Establish communication protocols. Have clear communication channels with local authorities to receive timely updates on weather conditions or potential disasters. Implement contingency plans. Develop contingency plans that outline evacuation procedures, alternative venues, and communication strategies during a natural disaster. Secure insurance coverage. Invest in event cancellation insurance that covers losses resulting from natural disasters. Political unrest. Political instability in the event location or geopolitical tensions can result in protests, demonstrations, or even government interventions. This can disrupt transportation, affect security conditions, and lead to the cancellation of events. Understanding the political landscape and having alternative plans in place is essential to mitigate these risks. Stay informed about the political climate. Monitor political developments in the event location and neighboring regions leading up to the event. Establish emergency protocols. Develop protocols for responding to political unrest, including evacuation plans and communication strategies. Engage with local authorities. Establish connections with local law enforcement and government officials to stay informed and seek assistance if needed. Diversify event locations. Consider hosting events in locations with stable political environments or have contingency plans for relocation. Attendee no-shows. Despite registrations, there's always a risk of attendees not showing up. This can be due to various reasons, including last-minute emergencies, travel issues, or changes in priorities. Event planners should implement strategies to minimize no-shows, such as effective communication, incentives, and engaging pre-event activities. Implement engaging pre-event activities. Build anticipation and engagement through pre-event activities to increase attendees' commitment. Provide incentives. Offer incentives such as early bird discounts, exclusive access, or giveaways to encourage attendance. Communicate effectively. Keep attendees informed about event highlights, benefits, and reasons not to miss the event. Collect RSVPs and confirmations. Encourage attendees to confirm their attendance closer to the event date to better estimate the actual turnout. Insufficient venue space. Selecting a venue that accommodates the expected number of attendees is crucial. However, there is a risk of underestimating attendance, leading to insufficient space. This can result in overcrowding, discomfort, and a negative experience for participants. Regular communication with the venue and flexible arrangements are essential to address this risk. Thoroughly assess venue capacity. Conduct a detailed assessment of the venue's capacity, considering seating arrangements and standing areas. Implement scalable plans. Have scalable plans that allow for quick adjustments in case of unexpected increases in attendance. Regular communication with venue. Maintain open communication with the venue, providing updates on expected attendance and any adjustments needed. Utilize overflow areas. Identify overflow areas that can be utilized in case the primary space reaches its capacity. Limited seating. Similar to venue space, inadequate seating arrangements can lead to attendee dissatisfaction. It's important to conduct thorough seating assessments, considering factors like comfort, visibility, and accessibility. Event planners should have strategies in place to address unexpected increases in attendance. Consider seating comfort and visibility. Evaluate seating arrangements for comfort, visibility of the stage, and overall attendee experience. Implement seat reservations. Offer options for seat reservations to better plan for seating needs. Monitor ticket sales. Regularly monitor ticket sales and adjust seating arrangements accordingly to meet demand. Flexibility in seating plans. Have flexible seating plans that can be adjusted based on the actual attendance. Speaker cancellations. Scheduled speakers may face unexpected circumstances that lead to cancellations. Whether due to illness, travel issues, or unforeseen commitments, speaker cancellations can impact the event's agenda and disappoint attendees. Maintaining a list of backup speakers and having clear communication channels with speakers are essential risk mitigation measures. Maintain speaker agreements. Clearly outline expectations, backup plans, and contingencies in speaker agreements. Build a speaker reserve list. Identify and maintain a reserve list of potential speakers who can step in if needed. Effective communication channels. Establish effective communication channels with speakers for prompt notification and coordination. Utilize technology for remote participation. Explore options for remote or virtual participation by speakers if physical attendance is not possible. Vendor cancellations. Audiovisual vendors play a crucial role in event execution. Cancellations by AV vendors can lead to technical disruptions, affecting presentations and overall event quality. Event planners should establish agreements with reliable AV vendors, including contingency plans, to ensure seamless execution. Establish clear contracts. Have detailed contracts with AV vendors, specifying terms, backup plans, and contingencies. Maintain relationships with multiple vendors. Work with multiple AV vendors to ensure alternatives are available in case of cancellations. Technical run-throughs. Conduct technical run-throughs before the event to identify and address potential issues. Emergency response team. Have a dedicated team capable of addressing AV issues promptly during the event. What are the risks involved in virtual events? Event hack or data breach. Data security is a paramount concern for event managers today as the threat of cybercrime continues to rise. It is essential to take proactive measures to protect attendee data and maintain the integrity of your event. Selecting a virtual event platform with robust built-in data security mechanisms is crucial in ensuring a safe and secure environment. Mitigation strategies include choosing a secure platform. Opt for virtual event platforms with robust built-in data security mechanisms. Encryption protocols. Implement advanced encryption protocols for secure data transmission. User authentication. Employ secure login processes to prevent unauthorized access. Participant education. Educate attendees on cybersecurity best practices to enhance overall event security. Sudden power outage. Whether hosting a virtual or in-person event, the possibility of a sudden power outage looms. Outages can occur for various reasons, including overload, equipment failure, unforeseen weather conditions, scheduled maintenance, human error, or animal interference. To effectively handle this situation and minimize the impact on your event, it is crucial to be prepared. Consider implementing the following measures. By proactively considering the potential for power outages and implementing these strategies, you can effectively minimize disruptions, maintain the continuity of your event, and showcase your preparedness and dedication to ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted experience for all attendees. Mitigation strategies encompass backup power sources. Have backup generators or uninterruptible power supply UPS systems ready. Communication plans. Develop clear communication plans to keep participants informed during outages. Event continuity protocols. Implement protocols for a swift transition to alternative event formats or rescheduling if necessary. Regular equipment checks. Conduct routine checks on event equipment to identify and address potential issues before they escalate. Lack of technical expertise. Event planning teams may need more infrastructure, support, and technical know-how to leverage virtual event solutions. Without expertise in hosting virtual events and support from the event tech vendor, you risk delivering an unpleasant event experience. Use the proper tech support to help you manage event processes better. Mitigation strategies involve: number one, tech support collaboration. Partner with event tech vendors offering robust technical support. Then, training programs. Conduct training sessions to enhance the technical proficiency of event planning teams. Also, detailed documentation. Provide comprehensive documentation on virtual event platforms to assist teams in navigating technical aspects. Then, pre-event rehearsals. Conduct pre-event rehearsals to familiarize teams with the virtual event setup and troubleshoot potential issues. Network connectivity issues. Participants joining virtual events rely on internet connectivity. Network issues such as slow or unstable connections can disrupt the event flow, causing delays, frozen screens, or complete disconnections. What are the mitigation strategies? Encourage participants to use a reliable and high-speed internet connection. Provide technical guidelines before the event, including tips for optimizing internet connectivity. Have a technical support team ready to assist participants facing connectivity issues during the event. Platform reliability and compatibility. Virtual events often use specific platforms for hosting and participants may encounter compatibility issues with their devices or browsers. Within the platform can also occur. What are the mitigation strategies? Test the chosen platform thoroughly with different devices and browsers. Communicate platform requirements to participants in advance. Choose a platform with a strong reputation for reliability and regular updates. Security concerns and data privacy. Virtual events involve the exchange of sensitive information and the risk of unauthorized access. Data breaches or privacy violations is a significant concern. Mitigation strategies. Implement robust encryption for data transmission. Choose platforms with advanced security features such as secure login processes and data encryption. Educate participants about best practices for maintaining data privacy during virtual events. Lack of technological know-how among participants. Participants may encounter technical issues during the event, ranging from audio and video problems to difficulties in accessing event materials. Mitigation strategies. Provide a dedicated technical support team reachable through various channels, chat, email, or phone. Conduct pre-event training sessions to familiarize participants with the event platform. Have troubleshooting guides and FAQs available for participants to address common issues independently. Over-reliance on live components. Virtual events often incorporate live elements such as live streaming, interactive sessions, or real-time polls. Technical failures in these live components can disrupt the entire event. Mitigation strategies. Have backup plans for critical live components, including pre-recorded alternatives. Conduct thorough rehearsals for live segments to identify and address potential technical issues. Keep communication open with participants about the possibility of technical interruptions and how they will be managed. Conclusion. In summary, effective risk management is pivotal in the intricate landscape of event planning. Navigating uncertainties, whether from unpredictable weather in physical events or technological intricacies in virtual platforms, demands proactive strategies. Organizers must intricately plan, communicate transparently, and exhibit strategic flexibility. Proactive risk mitigation involves detailed planning, transparent communication, and strategic flexibility. By maintaining open channels and adaptability, organizers can build trust, ensure participant safety, and deliver exceptional experiences. The success of an event hinges on the ability to anticipate, communicate, and adapt to risks, making robust risk management a cornerstone in event planning.